for tonight, our prepared speaker. Let's give another big round of applause to our Toastmaster. Toastmaster Dan. You excelled in engaging your audience effectively. You consistently smiled that made us more interested to your speech. Your smile is like a magnet that engages us as you deliver your talk. You are very effective in moving the emotion of your audience to be motivated to win. You focus on empowering our members for us to believe and move towards the direction you want to bring the club. Toastmaster Dan, even you were used to be a champion speaker, there are some few things that you can still improve. For one, you can still improve your vocal variety as you give emphasis to the word champion. Because as you were delivering your speech, it seems you need to give emphasis to the word champion. You give energy, you give more emotion, you give more energy for our fellow Toastmasters to be more motivated, to believe in the word itself. You can still also improve your footing. There are times that you move from left to right. It will be better if you will stand firm at times and move if necessary. Just like the moment that you need to shake the hand of Sedi. Because there are times that you are moving so much and I'm a little bit dizzy. You can still improve your hand gestures. Perhaps instead of pointing fingers, it will be better if you want to give emphasis to a certain member to, I don't know what to call this gesture. Instead of pointing finger, right? So you open palm. Yeah, you open your palm. I think it will be better that way, right? So our treasurer, our VP for education, instead of Toastmaster Mar, so I think it will get better. So overall, you bullseye the purpose of your speech.